Written by frontman Chris Cornell, Black Hole Sun was released in 1994 as the third single from the band's fourth studio album Super Unknown, 1994. It is arguably the band's most recognizable and most popular song, and remains a well-known song from the 1990s. The song topped the Billboard Mainstream Rock Tracks chart, where it spent a total of 7 weeks at number 1. Despite peaking at number 2 on the Modern Rock Tracks, Black Hole Sun still finished as the number 1 track of 1994 for that chart. It failed to hit the Billboard Hot 100 chart due to the rules of a physical/commercial release of the single at the time, but it still peaked at number 24 on the Hot 100 airplay chart and number 9 on the mainstream Top 40 chart. The song was included on Soundgarden's 1997 Greatest Hits album A-Sides and appeared again on the 2010 compilation album Telephantasm.